Rajan Kumar Gautam from Uttar Pradesh. He completed his studies and he became an inspiration for his batchmates. Even in midst of many struggles, he stand with his batchmates and proved that we can grow together.
There's an academic tradition in Love Army Bible College, nothing but the awards giving to the students, those who gained high position in their studies and academic years. The second award is Preaching Excellence, Rajan Kumar Gautam. Preaching Excellence, Rajan Kumar Gautam.
Rajan Kumar Gautam, Uttar Pradesh.